What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. And I'm out here in the shop. I got some things I gotta do. They calling for bad weather. And I got a few things I need to do. You know what I'm saying? Like I need to adjust this brake booster on the Yukon. I need to adjust it. Yeah, I need to adjust it because the brake pedal is too far up. So like the gas is down here, the brake is like way up here, and I've already adjusted it down. So I'm gonna have to disconnect that brake booster push rod from the brake pedal itself and screw it back down, and probably readjust the doggone. I'm probably gonna have to readjust that doggone brake switch, which that's gonna suck tremendously, but whatever. It is what it is. And then I'm probably gonna end up throwing these the stock wheels and tires on the K1500 and take the snowflakes off. Put these on, take the snowflakes off, and just slide around in the snow in these right here. But I probably won't end up driving the K1500 in the snow, but I know that thing right there got some mean four-wheel drive, and we definitely know that I'm not driving the Tahoe. I'm not driving that. And this right here, I've got to get the steering wheel clocked in the right position for the all-wheel drive to work. And I took it to the alignment shop, and they were just, I don't know, they charged me $40 and didn't do nothing. Kind of pissed me off, you know what I'm saying? But whatever, you know what I'm saying? But this right here is all-wheel drive. So if it snow pretty bad, I'm finna slide in the bins, man. I ain't even gonna lie. Finna slide right in the bins. Yep, finna crank that mug up, slide out. It's got yeah, it's already got all-terrain tires on it, so should be good. But anyway, I'm finna I guess I'm finna scoot this in first. I'm gonna move this stuff right here back, scoot this in, and adjust that brake, adjust the brake pedal, and then move it out, pull the truck in, and put the stocks on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's what's gonna happen. So let me get to moving. Got everything pulled in here, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. And I should have been done it. I just been too lazy. You know, other stuff going on. Look, do you see how high that brake pedal is? Like, that brake pedal is so high, and the gas pedal is so low. So I'm gonna have to, yeah, that rod right there. Yeah, this rod right here. I'm gonna have to disconnect this rod and adjust it back down because it is just way too doggone high, man. But I know y'all don't want to see that, but if y'all still here watching this video, man, y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button for your boy, man. Join Luke Fizzle 828, you know what I'm saying? Cause yeah, I'm gonna keep it busy. And it's late. I really didn't feel like coming out here, man, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come out here and chop it up with you guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come out here and chop it up. We're gonna do something, you know what I'm saying? But let me adjust this brake pedal back down, get my tape measure and stuff out, and then I'll be back once I adjust it down. Man, I'm shaking my head so hard right now. Right now. You know what I'm saying? Cause whoever put this together, they didn't know what they was doing. So I got up in there and I was trying to adjust the doggone the push rod that I showed y'all in the previous clip. I was trying to adjust it, right? So it wouldn't adjust. It wouldn't adjust at all. So I got to looking and I'm like, you know, I dig deep, man. I dig deep till I hit a rock. You know what I'm saying? So I took the brake booster out. As you can see, I took this is the brake booster. This is the master cylinder. I took the brake booster out. So there's supposed to be a block spacer that's probably, maybe it's a 1/2 inch. It's supposed to be a spacer in between the brake booster and the firewall. It's not there. Like it's literally not there. Like it's not there, gang. You know what I'm saying? So let me zoom in there. Let me zoom in. It's supposed to be a spacer that goes right there in between. You know what I'm saying? So what I did, let me pull y'all off. I'm gonna have to get another brake booster. I'm gonna have to get another one because I just don't think I could get that spacer to go between it. So I think I'm gonna just have to buy the whole brake booster. So what I did, I put lug nuts on. I put lug nuts because I was looking and the spacer is about the same size as a lug nut. So I just put 4 lug nuts on it to give me the space that I needed to hold it back off of the firewall. And then do not try this at home, okay? Y'all don't try this at home, you know what I'm saying? I'm the king of janky, you know what I'm saying? So I'll fix some stuff janky until I get the part. So I'm finna order the new brake booster, but until then, it's gonna be janky. The worst Yukon in America is living up to its name. Yeah, boy, the worst Yukon in America. I'm telling you. But that doggone brake booster, man, I swear. I'm like, I mean, y'all seen how high the brake pedal was. So look. Look at it now. That's with the space. That's with the lug nuts on the brake booster. It's perfect. I got in there. I moved my foot back and forth. It's perfect where it's sitting at. I mean, it's not too high. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure. Let me see. I'm pretty sure I can adjust it. Look. Both of them's coming up together. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, that's good. That's good. So, that's what I did. You know what I'm saying? That's what I did, man. And I'm gonna put all this stuff back together because now I know that I'm gonna have to adjust the brake switch because the brake lights are probably just gonna be on. You know what I'm saying? Because of the way that I got the brake switch. I drilled another hole because I couldn't get the brake light switch to line up to where it would cut on. So it would be on and then I would hit the brakes, it would cut off and then cut back on. And then when I let off of the brake, it would cut off and then cut back on. So I had to like tweak it a little bit to where it was in that sweet spot to where when I hit the brakes, the brake lights come on. So now I'm gonna have to undo it and put it back in the original hole from the factory, since I fixed the little spacer issue right here. Yeah. So once I get everything buttoned up, I'll be back. So, just like I said, the brake lights are just on, man. Them jokers is just on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Anyway, that Cadillac third brake light look good though. I just wished it went all the way across. But anyway, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't take it. Okay. Okay. Let me straighten it out. Yeah, so I guess my measurements was on point with that spacer. So I got everything tight. I got everything buttoned up. I got the little rubber seal put in there. You know what I'm saying? The brake booster do work fine, but that spacer, you know what I'm saying? I need that spacer in order for my pedal height to be right. And then I put the brake switch back in its original position, and which those of y'all that don't know, man, that doggone brake switch is a pain to get to. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take the brake pedal and move it out the way and all kinds of stuff, and then lay on your back and do all kinds of crazy stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I got it in there. The brakes work as they should, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I went and got an oil change, and the guy told me, he's like, man, if the lift wouldn't have been right there, you know how the ramps go up on the lift. He said if the lift wouldn't have been right there, he said he went over to try to hit the brake and the brake pedal wasn't there. Which I'm glad he didn't wreck my junk, you know what I'm saying? But I got it right though. I got it right. Or I got it as right as it's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? For right now. Until I get another brake booster. Because I don't trust this one. Somebody been in there messing with stuff, didn't even put it back together right. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to redo it my way. So I'm gonna order another brake booster and we're gonna go ahead and get to it. But I was gonna put the stocks on. But fixing this brake booster right here took longer than I expected, and I'm going to bed, man. So I'm gonna end this video right here. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on that notification bell. That way you notify when I drop another video, because I got plenty of projects. You know what I'm saying? And I'd love to pull the mini camper back out, man, but y'all know I lived in that thing for 7 years, you know what I'm saying? But I'd love to pull the mini camper out. And for those of y'all that don't know, the mini camper got 22s on it. Yeah. Got them big donkeys on that mother. But anyway, yeah. Got the spare. It's got the 22-inch spare. Yeah. But I would love to redo the mini camper. I'd love to redo it, you know what I'm saying? Because it's just, you know, it's just sitting there, but it's inside. And soon as I tackle some of these other projects, I will dismantle that camper and I will put it back together the way that I have it envisioned in my mind. I want to put bigger wheels on it. Yeah, I want to put bigger wheels. I'm going bigger than 22s, maybe like some 26s or something. Yeah. But anyway, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'm out, man. Peace.